Hi, I'm Daniel from Blue White, and in this video, I'll review the pulse input for our S-Series chemical metering pumps. Pulse input is used to remotely control the pump with an incoming pulse signal. It triggers the pump to dispense a measured amount of chemical, amount per trigger, for a specific period of time, pump on time, after a specific number of pulses, pulse count trigger. To enable pulse input, open the app drawer, select Pulse Input. Select Settings to adjust the pulse input. Input the value for the pulse count trigger. Input the value for the amount per trigger. Input the value for pump on time. Confirm by selecting Save. Select Start to enable. To view pulses, start the pump. Press the green output bar until pulses is displayed. Note: pulse input will not operate in local mode. Thank you for watching this episode of the Blue White Academy. For further questions or assistance, please reach out to us at customerservice@blue-white.com. And for more information, please visit blue-white.com.